Flamingo Fan Club. Mr. Flim Flam, this is important. Play now. So it's basically where you miss the Roblox bloody diarrhea pants and the golden chain t-shirt. And there's a lot of Among Us sus faces chasing you because they are raging. You die like this. They won't show you and you die. So that's the problem. ROBLOX and Flamingo already did that. For Flamingo support, I'm doing this video, so please play this game and like. I'm gonna like this game. I'm gonna like this game. This game epic, epic, and epic like. So I'm gonna tell you what happened in Roblox like a week ago. Basically, here's Flamingo explaining it. Alright, so basically, Flamingo tells what happens somewhere over here. Like, the pants are gone and he makes a game and stuff. So, this thing's crazy. So, I'm gonna basically show you what happened. If I go to, After shop, yeah, right here, after shop. Just got that. Wow, man, this game is really laggy. So you go here, and basically, yeah, just go over here. What the? It took me to an advertisement. Are you kidding me? So if you go over here, and just go to clothing. Oops, clothing. You go pants with 0 Robux free. Look, Chainsaw Man Pants version 1. It's gone forever. Wow, Roblox. You betrayed the community. Why? Let's put a epic cry. No, that would not. Epic cry face would not make sense. Sad face. Oh, there we go. So, why Roblox? You betrayed the community. Why? Sad face. That's my comment. It's literally gone forever. And the other thing is, if you go to clothings again, clothings, t-shirts, and you go to, oh yeah, it's all free. So where is it? Money necklace. I don't know where it is. I think it's removed. But this guy, Robo Sapien, he made a money necklace one, which was famous than this one. You got another one too. You got both of them. So yeah, those things got banned, and there's a lot of stuff which got banned, like in the past time. Basically in the past time, like I don't know which ones, but yeah, they're not seen in my outer shop, but yeah, this is kind of sad that Roblox took everything else from us, dude. Seriously, not even kidding. It's kind of sad, very sad. So, all hail legendary pants and gold chain. Yeah, and use star code Flamingo if you want to. Not trying to sponsor him, but okay. The video goes all long, and yeah, we just plays this game with the sus face. A bacon is a sus face, and shows Quickcraft Caden. I don't know who that is. Tempest. Yeah, the video basically ends. So, yep, that's the problem. Well, I wish Roblox brings that back, but Roblox won't bring that back according to the Roblox rules. No blood stuffs allowed, or any blood stain allowed. That's why Roblox doesn't want that to happen. But there are a lot of blood stained clothings. Like if you go to clothing and for shirts and you just go blood. Look, emo god, Hello Kitty jacket with blood, blood, just a killer, blood, wounds of blood, extreme blood. So there's a lot of blood, and that's not fair at all. So that's not fair at all. 100%. That's not fair at all. And that's what I gotta say. Albert the news pilot man. That makes no sense. Albert the pilot and a newsman. Does that make sense? What's the first of full flame? No. Like, basically, that's the problem. All hail the bloody diarrhea paints. Yep, all hail it. Go play this game. Link in the description, or you can just join the Flamingo fan group. Ow, that hurts. Flamingo I cannot spell. Flamingo fan group. There'll be a link in the shout out area where Flamingo typed it. But yeah. Somebody in the chat is like, Roblox, you shall pay for what you did. True. But China is preventing it, so that's very sad. And I cannot believe it. Why is that? What the? What happened to this guy? He like tripped over. But who cares? Roblox shy pay for what he done. Fail my vet. So these people have blocked the sus faces who chase you and kill you. I'm gonna just make them walk again. Boop. Follow me. Ow, that hurts. Man, they are running faster than they're like running faster than leopards. So that's the sad thing going on in Roblox. I cannot chat anything. Be sad. Oops, I cannot type. Be sad. Why is Roblox doing this? I know it's because according to China gaming rule or something. I don't know. And I did not spell anything right at all. According to China. Why did I type something? Because I know. Oh, I suppose that. Me sad. Why is Roblox doing this? I know it's because according to China rule or something. I don't know. Oh god, there's a lot of scam in this chat. But yeah, that's the problem. Roblox, please unban Blood Diarrhea Pants from Roblox. Please. I beg of you. Anyway, go join that Flame group and like and subscribe if you want me to do any more newses like this. I know I'm pretty late, like Flamingo. I'm not trying to copy Flamingo's idea, just want to support Flamingo, that's the thing. Yeah, go join Flamingo's group. If you like Flamingo. Like go here, Robux. You go to Robux and you just type Flamingo. Like here and you go type Flamingo. Like here. Look. Flamingo. Add. Supporting Flamingo. So that's how you support Flamingo. So the video ends here. I think I saw it on Twitter, didn't I? I think I did so there. Man, I like this new thingy. The stuff. Man, I miss this pants. Anyway, I'm gonna end off the video here, guys. See ya tomorrow or today. I don't know.